Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the very first video of 2018. So we are going to start this year with affordable 5 product makeup look for office or college. So this is the makeup look which I have created today. I haven't included any eyeshadow or foundation for this makeup look. So just look at this. I love the way the eyes are looking. So this is what you can do for your everyday basis, and this could be your go-to makeup look. So if you want to know how I created this makeup look, then please keep on watching. So before any makeup, you need to moisturize your face. You can also use your tinted moisturizer, that is CC or BB cream, which has SPF in it. So step 1 would be filling in your eyebrows. I cannot tell you enough how important it is to enhance your best features. Mine are eyebrows and lips. So I'm just using the pencil side to create small strokes, and then again the powder form to just fill in the gaps which I have. And now my face will look lively. Step 2 would be applying a tinted compact powder. I know a lot of you guys do not like to use foundation or concealer on a daily basis, but we all have compact powder in our bag. So just apply the one which matches your skin tone and just apply it to blur out any imperfection that you have. Trust me, this works. And I have done this so many times when I used to work and when I used to attend office. So this is my go-to step, and this will not only lock up your base, that is your tinted moisturizer or just moisturizer, but also just give a little hint of color all over your face. So this is the step which I love. Step number 3 is my favorite step, and I have an entire video on this step, guys. That is Kajal. So just take your Kajal and tightline your upper waterline, and then take the same Kajal to apply it all over your lower lash line. So it depends on person to person how thick you want your kajal to be. I like my kajal to be pretty thick. And now you must be wondering how to make your kajal long lasting. So just take your compact powder on a smudger brush. If you don't have a smudger brush, you can use Q-tips for this, that is earbuds, and just smudge out your lower lashes a little bit. This will create a blur effect and smoky effect for your eyes. And take the same smudger brush without touching the compact powder and slightly smudge out the area closer to your lash line. This will create eye makeup look without even touching the eyeshadow, and I love to do this step on a daily basis. So step 4 is applying tons of mascara all over your eyelashes. I like this one by Maybelline because this will give you length and volume, and this is pretty easy to use. If you're a person who are blessed with good eyelashes, just enhance your good features, guys. This is your time. And one tip, use a mascara which is a washable one, because in the end when you come back home, you just want to take off all of your makeup, and waterproof mascara are pretty hard to take out. So use a washable one. And last and the final step would be choose a lipstick which is good for daily wear and which could be your go-to lipstick. I like this one by Lakme 925. This is called Cocoa Soft, and this is their lip and cheek color. So you can use your lipstick to apply it all over your cheeks to give a flush of color, and to blend out the lipstick you can use your daily compact powder. In that way, if you just apply too much of the lipstick, you can just blur it out. And finish it off with a bindi for Indian touch, and that's about it. So this was my makeup look for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this. For more of such a video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Down here, hit that notification bell icon to get notified whenever I post new videos on my channel. And I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.